Good morning, peeps. It's a very good morning here at the equator, and I'm so glad to make another video this morning. And today we're gonna find animals. Thank you so much for those who subscribe to my channel. My channel is at a ranger, and I'm bringing vlog from Kenya and Norway. So stay with us, more adventures gonna happen. Like that. Found something here. This is so nice. Yesterday I was here, I didn't see this place. This is massive. Landscaping here is almost looking like the one we found in behind there. So I found this place here, and it's really a nice landscaping, and it has collected the water from the rainfalls. It has been raining for the last 3 months here in Africa. So this area is pretty dry when it's not a season for raining. So yeah, it should not bite my mouth. We will take them out later. Oh, I don't have horns still. This one they have a little horns. Very nice little bird here. I found the monkeys, but they are very quite far away. Can't access there. It's also jumping up and down on the top of the tree there. So I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow. We didn't find the monkeys. I found the monkeys, but I couldn't capture them because the villagers scared them away. Ho, they're running. Run for your life. They're running. Yeah, so it is what it is. One day we'll capture them very clear. We're entering town. Oh, a big bulldozer. We need to watch, we need to watch. Narudi. Naenda kupack bike kwanza. Narudi.
Kuja upige mimi picha.
Si ndio hiyo nishakupiga. Watu wakuje hapa ukiwa Bondo kuja upromote mama. Any place you are, come to Bondo. Si ndio hiyo picha.
Nimeanza kugine. Ten.
Yeah, so whoever within the Bondo town, mama is selling clothes here. You can buy from her. Yeah. Narudi kukupromote.
Thank you.
Welcome. Kawan kasadiwa. Kasad. Kasadiwa. Cabbage. Cabbage nitiere mari 100 mag 80. Andwaro mar 50.
Bigo i picha. Bigo i picha.
Goya picha kabisa. Okay. The lady is selling cabbages here at an affordable price. So if you are within the Bondo, you can come promote the lady just by the entry. You can promote her. So we want to promote the lady because he's the one who approached us for the first time once we enter here. So we buy cabbage from her. This is the ladies selling, doing business. They are really working up here. So yeah, bring one cabbage. They are 100 bob.
Smart.
Thank you. This is the lady.
Alu. Ana usoki kwa hapo nitanyatiwa. Alu.
Interesting. She's a really good, nice day. Just put me in the bucket. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I love the America.
Okay, we pray the lady will leave. So this is where the cons come with a pickup in the morning. So you can pick there. Yeah. Thanks. Welcome. Okay. You say bye-bye town. Bye-bye the town of Bunduchi. See you next week. Next week we come again for the shopping.